guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a custom 404 page in Next.js. So let's get started. So in the last video, we made this application and we basically converted this coding 1101 into a React component which is displayed on all pages. Now what if I want to customize my 404 page, because in Next.js, if I go to ABC, it will create a custom 404 page. The Next.js default 404 page will be displayed. So I want to customize this and make it my own 404 page and make it so that there's an easier way to go back to the home page. So this is what we'll be doing in this video. So I hope you like it. So let's start. So we'll be creating a new file in the pages folder called 404.js, and we have to call it 404.js because Next.js will now recognize it as the default 404 page. Then I'm going to paste in some code which basically creates some HTML for this thing. So we are importing link, creating a not found component, returning div h1 oops page not found link in the div. So we are doing that, and then what we're going to be doing is importing two more things, because what I'm going to be doing is automatically redirecting the user back to the home page. So we import two things: use effect from React and import use router from Next router. Basically what use router does is allows us to use the browser router. In use effect will always run when a component loads. In this case, the component is not found because if we use effect, basically this is a function that takes in a function. Okay, and then we can pass in some dependencies in an array. If this array is empty, basically what this will do is the not found component will be the dependency. So when the not found component loads, the code in this will run. If we put in, for example, another thing, for example, some state, if we had some, we can put the state name. For example, when the state loads, then we can do that. When the home page loads, we can do that. So basically whatever we put in here, we can also put multiple things because it's an array, but whatever we put in here will be ran when it's loaded. So yeah, then use router. Let me show you. What if we go use router dot, you can see we have so many things that we can go, like replace, which will replace the URL on the search bar, go, and then -1 will go back and 1 will go front, like that. So we'll create a variable to make it easier. So const router is equal to use router, and we need to run this function because when we see here, if we go use router dot, it's a function. Okay, so we need to go use router and dot, and then if we see, we get more things because there might be functions inside that function. Inside that router, we'll go in here, we'll create a set timeout, which basically will wait for some time, and after that's done, it's going to do it. So I'm going to wait for 3000 milliseconds or 3 seconds, and then just go router dot replace slash. So basically it will replace the URL slash with slash so that it comes to the home page after 3 seconds. Then I'm going to create a span right above this, span, and I'm going to call this you will be redirected. In 3 seconds, like that. So basically we'll say you will be redirected to the home page in 3 seconds. You can click on this link and you'll be redirected to the home page. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the 404 page. Now let's see it in the browser. So this is the application in our browser. You can see that if you go to a 404 page link like ABC, it says, oops, page not found. It will automatically redirect us in 3 seconds. You can see that. We can also click on the link to come here. Same place, and that comes faster. So we've successfully created a 404 page. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, be sure to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.